Hello, guys. It is day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas, and every day for 12 days, I am sharing with you deals, discounts, and freebies that you can use to nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Yesterday, you got a free ebook, and today, you get a huge discount on my first book, which is Nourish Your Body, a 30-day healthy and delicious meal plan. So this book is currently on sale on Amazon for 34% off. And so that means that you can get the book for about $26. It makes an amazing gift for yourself if you have some healthy New Year's resolutions coming up just around the corner, or for the foodie or food lover in your life and you're trying to get them a gift. So go ahead and check this out on Amazon. It has some of my favorite recipes in here, including my everything bagel salad. I love the stir fry. There's a couple of different stir fries in here. There's just so many amazing smoothie recipes. So if you are really wanting to get more nutritional bang for your buck, a smoothie is a fantastic way to do it. And I wanted to show you, protein balls here, these cranberry white chocolate protein balls. So good. There's also a fan favorite, which is the egg roll in a bowl. And even better for this time of year, this amazing hot chocolate recipe that is refined sugar-free. It also is so warming, so comforting, and is honestly perfect this time of year, especially as it's getting a little bit cooler. So go ahead and check out. I will put the link in the comments below for this cookbook. And like I said, it is 36% off right now on Amazon. So go ahead and check it out. It's a 5-star reviewed product, and I'm so excited. Go ahead and read those reviews as well, because it just means so much to me to have such amazing feedback on my very first book. So that is your day 2 deal for the 12 days of Christmas, and I'll be back tomorrow with another amazing deal to help celebrate our health and wellness. So I'll see you then.